This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to get your Databricks Workspace ID. Whether you're new to Databricks or just need a refresher, this guide is here to help you find your Workspace ID with ease. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need at your fingertips. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Databricks Workspace. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the navigation bar. This is where most of your user-related options are located, making it a crucial area for accessing personal and workspace information. In this section, you should see your profile name or possibly your email address displayed. It's a small yet significant detail that's often overlooked, but it's the key to accessing your workspace settings and information. Go ahead and click on your profile name or email address. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, presenting you with a variety of options related to your profile and account settings. Now, here comes the moment we've all been waiting for. In this drop-down menu, you will find the Workspace ID displayed. The Workspace ID is a unique identifier that is essential for various operations within Databricks, such as API calls, integrations, and more. It is a critical piece of information that ensures you're interacting with the correct Databricks environment, especially if you are managing multiple workspaces. If you're planning on using this Workspace ID for any API integrations or other technical purposes, consider copying it to a secure location right away. It's always a good idea to keep such information handy and accessible when you're in the middle of a project. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to find your Databricks Workspace ID. Remember, these steps are not only quick, but also ensure you're accessing the right environment, which is crucial for maintaining an organized and effective workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Databricks, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.